Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can edit a photo in Canva. So let's start. So simply first of all you have to write Canva here. After that you have to click on the create design, and the create design then you have to select the import file and you have to click on here. After clicking on import file you have to select the image you want to be edited. For example, I'm going to edit this one, so you have to select this and then press on the open button. After open button I have to click on this use in a new design, custom design, create new design. After this, as you can see, our photo is ready. So now if you want to edit your photo, simply you have to click on the photo and then press on the edit photo. So here you are going to see some options which are going to be very useful for you guys, like magic eraser, BG remover. These are the options for the pro one, those who have paid. If you have free version you can use these options, like you can change the color and you can see here you can see a lot of filters from here. You can use any filter you want which looks good or suits your picture. You can control the intensity of the filter. For example, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to bake. After the filter you have some other options too, like blur. If you want to make your picture blur you can also do that. You can increase the intensity and manage the blur. You can decrease or increase easily. So after that you have to go back, and here we have option like I'm going to remove this one, like make it 0. Go back. After this we have option like autofocus. You have to click on the autofocus and the focus will be on the main thing. You have to set blur intensity and then focus intensity. Here will be our focus. As you can see, blur intensity, I'm going to increase it, and then you have to click like focus, and here's our focus. And here we have other option like shadow. If you want to add a shadow in your picture you can easily do that. Here's outline, drop shadow and glow. These three options are going to be very useful for you guys, like you can increase the size, blur amount, angle, distance and intensity. So after this I'm going to bake from here, and we have some other options too. You have to click here, like we have another option which is called Duotone. You have to click here. So here we have a lot of Duotones. You can choose any one and you can easily manage the shadow, highlight and intensity of that Duotone. So I'm going to bake from here. So you have to click on the adjust. After clicking on the adjust you have some options like you can maintain the temperature of the picture you want, and you can control the tint, brightness, contrast, highlight, shadows, white, black, and you have some other options too like vibrance and saturation. If you want to crop your image you can easily do that. You have to click on the crop. After crop you have to select the ratio. If you want your custom you can do that from here. You have to select the custom ratio of the picture, and then you have to click on the done. Your picture will be cropped. As you can see our picture is cropped now. So this is the simple and easiest way that how you can edit a picture in Canva, and I hope you understand this video. If you have any query or question you can ask in the comment section. So see you in the next video.